Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest messages. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest messages, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on for stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that you will enter to clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about Pinterest. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.